create mobile applications. So what do we need? We need Visual Studio, and that's pretty much it. So I'm going to download Visual Studio Community Edition, Community, and then I'm going to click Visual Studio Code Downloads for Mac, Windows, Linux, and I'll put the link down on the video so that you can find it later. So once we're inside the Visual Studio, we are going to download this Visual Studio 2026. So I click on download, and then it brings me to this screen. So I click on download community. The community is a free edition. So here it is. It just downloaded the installer. So what I do is I click on the installer. I click yes. And this is version 2026. So it says we set up a few things. So I click continue. I have 3 other versions of my Visual Studio Community installed, and this is 2026. So I have 2022 and 2019, as well as 2026. So let's get in my installer ready. I'm going to pause the video right here. Well, maybe not. So this is pretty much it. I mean, I currently have 26 installed. So it's just letting me know that I have an update available. So I'm not going to install it. I'm just going to show you how to install the initial one. So because I have other other versions installed, yours we just have this right here, 2026. So click here and then install on your side. So on mine, I'm going to click modify so that you can see what you need to install the components. So you're going to get a screen like this. Make sure you click this one for the web development, Azure, Python, and Node. And then this is the important one right here, the mobile devices. You don't need all of this, but I just clicked on this. But most important, you just need this right here, the .NET MAUI. So make sure that you click on this and then click on install. I'm not going to install it, but once you install this, you will have this menu down here. Well, you're going to have the menu on it. Launch what the Visual Studio that gets installed. Create a new project. So in create a new project, you're going to, depending on how you installed it, so right here on the templates, click on MAUI. Click .NET MAUI on here, application for iOS, Android, and whatnot. So click next, and then we're just going to put in hello world. That's going to be the name. This is going to be the name of the project. This is the location where it stores it. This is the solution name. So I click next, and then you might have a different version right here. You might have 9. I'm using 10, but you can use 9 or 10, whichever it installed it on. Click on, I'm not going to include any sample code because I want to keep it very simple. Click create. So what this does, it is building the project. It takes about a minute. So here are the files right here. So this is the main page. So I guess it didn't take a minute, more like 30 seconds. This is the hello world right there. So this is the main page. This is where you want to modify. This is a label. So let's just launch it. Windows, click on Windows machine. And what this does, it launches the emulator on your Windows PC. It could be an Android, it could be the iOS, it could be anything. It's just an emulator. It could be any kind of hardware device. So this version right here is compatible with Android as well as iOS. So I click launch, so it's still running, as you can see. It takes it, and this is the hello world right here. So then imagine this could be a game that you design. So this is Hello World. This one, just click here. This is the only action that it's doing. So you can keep this emulator up and running, and this could be, imagine it could be a phone. It could also be like a notepad, like this. And of course, then if you want, you can just also use this preview down here, and this is a code right there. So I'll just remove that code, and this preview right here is updated accordingly. It's called hot reload. So then I'll undo that, Control Z, and then bring it back up. Hello world. Okay, and just real quick, this is the main page. You can modify the UI right here. You can add whatever you want. And in the main page right here, this is the methods that it uses. So